Hey guys! So it's again very early in the morning. It's like 6 o'clock, 6:17 or something. And so today is 13th, and now we're going to open the 13 door. Cut it. So, oh my god, this one's actually a big one. Kinder chocolate over here. I'm gonna open my Playmobil calendar. So 13 is here. This one is a big door I've been waiting. It's our very first horse! No way. Okay, you know what? I actually already have a horse like this. It's like we twins! So today's 14th, and today I'm gonna open the 14th door. Yes, I already found it over here. Ah! It just popped out. Okay, so the 14th, I just found it yesterday. Now I don't know where it is. 14, come on. It's over here. So let's see. Yes! I knew it. I just knew it. It was gonna be this because I got the horse in this one. I told you, I think, that I also have the same exact horse in another set of mine. And then tomorrow in the 15th, I'm sure there'll be all of the beads to put on this, and then this will be for the hair. Hey guys! So, I opened the 14th today, and it didn't take everything out. This was still in the calendar, and I thought that this was going to come in the 15th, but no. So yeah, we didn't open everything, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna try to open this right now. So this is a complete cute horsey, and this is the other side. Hey guys! So today is 15th, but it's 8 o'clock right now, so now I'm going to open the 15th. Yes, I knew it would be one. Yes, I knew it. So there, okay. Okay, time for this one. Okay, I already also found the 15 in this one. So I'm just going to pop it open. Maybe a difficult pop. It's not opening. This is so hard. Sorry, 15. More easier. Got it. Yes, finally. Oh. Here. So I don't know what this is actually. What is this? I don't know. Okay. Oh. Yeah. And there's this hay. Oh, I think yeah. Yeah, then you can put the hay in this. Yeah, and then here in the back, there are like these two things. So like a Playmobil character can hold this. Oh, this is so cute! Hey guys! So we just had breakfast, and today is 16th. So I'm gonna open this one. Got it! Okay. So now I'm gonna open this one. What is it? Oh my god. Oh, it's plates! Oh, there's something else in here too. Oh, and it's a blue water bottle. I've never had a light blue water bottle before. Let me see if there's something else. No. So today is 17th. So I woke up millions of times in the night. I was like waking up. I was like awake for 1 hour or something. I don't know. But yeah, so I totally forgot about the calendars. So now we're gonna open them. We just had breakfast. So yeah, I'm just gonna open them. Okay, so let me find the 17 over here. Got it. Yes, it's a Choco Bong. Bong bong. it's like a chocolate thingy. Chocolate egg. Okay, now we're gonna open the big one. Okay, so this one is also a small one here, 17th. Open. What's inside? There's the fork and spoons and the knives. Huh? So we got cutlery. I think that's. Oh, we have something else in here too. What is it? Glasses! These are so cool. I've never seen glasses like this before. Wow, they're so cool. So we have 4 glasses for the princess and the boy baby. Actually, the boy baby only needs a bottle, so yeah. So it is 18th, and we just finished breakfast, and now I'm gonna open the calendars. Okay, so here it is. Well, it kind of just fell off over here because it was kind of loose, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna find the 18. Oh, found the 18. I thought so. Okay, now it's time for the Playmobil calendar. Okay, let's see. Well, the 18th is over here. Okay, let's see what was. Come on, it's one coming out now. What is this? Yes! I was hoping for this, guys. I was hoping for this, guys. So this is the girl over here with her boots to ride on the horse and her beautiful t-shirt. She has short curly hair. There. Guys, it is 19th. So I'm just gonna open the 19th right now. Yes, I'm right. You can always recognize by the shapes, guys. Today I'll open my mom's calendar too. So I already found the 19th. Oh, look at that! Wow, it has snowman on it. Now it's time for this one, my all-time favorite calendar. It's a skirt. I knew it was gonna be the skirt. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. So here's our beautiful princess. And now we're going to put her skirt on. Let's see how you look. Yoo-hoo! I'm a perfect pretty princess. Hey guys! So it is 20th. It's almost Christmas, and the reason why I'm extra excited today is because it's my friend's birthday. So happy birthday, Ariza! Happy birthday! Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna start with opening the calendars. So today, my mom's calendar is also in the video. So this is a chocolate calendar over here. So I already found the 20th. You can see. Come on. Ooh. Okay, let's take that out. And that's a mini, we call this kids chocolate. Kinder chocolate, actually. Call this that. Okay, perfect. Next one. Okay, so where's the 20th? so this one now, where is it? 20. Let's see which one. What is this? Oh, it's small basket. Oh, there's something else in here too. What is this? Oh, it's a small basket with the tools for the horse. Wow, that's cute. Done. Hey guys, it's 21st, and yeah, so I'm gonna open the calendars. Yeah, I'm so excited that it's almost Christmas. Okay. Oh yeah, here it is, 21. And I already know what it is. I think it's the like chocolate like doll. Oh yes, it's the Santa. Yay! Isn't this so cute? Ah. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay guys, so now it's time for this one. Okay, so 21, 21. Yes, I knew it. It was a dog. I just knew it. Yay! I knew it. It was gonna be the dog. I just really want to be careful. I don't want to like lose anything. Okay, so let's start talking about the dog. So it moves its head. So like this, it could also be a nice dog. And he can even move his legs. Santa! Don't interrupt! Yeah, so he can move his legs any way he wants to. He can like even sit like this, you know. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I fixed this. And also, when you put the fur on, you can take it back off again if you don't want the fur to be on there. It's a royal poodle. Hey guys, it is 22nd and today I'm gonna open, of course, a 22nd. Okay, so here I already found it. Ah, no! I knew it was gonna be this one, guys. Okay, yeah, so it's like this. I'm gonna open this. Okay, guys, let's open it. This is a sad one. There's nothing in there. Yep, there's nothing in there, guys. This is not a joke. Okay, so this was what it was actually supposed to be in the 22nd. It just like slipped into the 8, so that's why we got the frog and the leaves and the flowers in the 8 with this. So this was actually supposed to be in the 22. But, you know, it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I'm so excited! Only 2 more days, guys. And I think in here is gonna be the, like, maybe like something that I saw. I'm not gonna tell you because I don't want to ruin the surprise. I'm such a bad liar. Okay, guys. It's 23rd. I'm so excited, guys. Tomorrow is Christmas. So usually on Christmas days, I wake up so early. You know, because I'm so excited. But yeah, anyway, where is it? Oh, here it is. And now I can like I always recognize by the shapes. Okay, 23rd. Let's open this. Oh, I'm so excited. What's gonna be in there? Yes! I'm so happy. It's this one. Yes! I've been waiting for this, guys. They're so cute. Okay, so first I'm gonna build this up. Merry Merry Christmas, guys! Today is 24th. I'm so happy. So yeah, so I have my mom's calendar also in this video. So I'm gonna open hers first. Okay, or Mom, do you want to open this? Okay, it's okay. Okay. Ah, no, why is it not opening? Okay, yeah. Okay, tiny. Oh, isn't this cute? Wait, what is it? Okay, so it's a squirrel. Yeah, it's cute. I like it. Now time for this one, the 24th. Yes, it's my egg! Yay! I already got an egg in the 6th one on the other side, but now I'm really happy I got one. Okay. Let's open this one. Oh my god, it's already a little bit open. What is it? It's so funny! Yes! I knew it! Yes! Okay, nothing else. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna start building it now. There we go! Woo! So the boat's done. There. So here's, okay, so I'm gonna just show you. So here there's just this like little a sail type, and then just like moves here, and the little seat, and just some decoration on here in the back. And that's it. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this chocolate egg. I'm so excited what's gonna be inside here. Oh, I got it. Oh, what is this? This is our complete toy, what I got in my X Prize. I'm Mr. Swirly. Okay guys, this was the end of my part 2 of opening calendars. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, Merry Christmas guys. Bye.